How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can see your followers in OSU. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to the OSU webpage right here. And you could simply click on your account profile, but only as an example. Let's go ahead and click on the multi option because in my account, I don't have actually someone following me as of the moment. But to go ahead and finally see someone that is actually following you, you just have to click on their user profile. So let's go ahead and take this one as an example. And then in here, it will say that this specific account has 33 followers. So that is, as of right now, that is the only way for us to see the followers for our account. There isn't a way for us to directly see how much follower or who is our specific follower on our account. But you could also go ahead and see mutual followings right here if you have one. And that's the closest thing we have on it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.